Ange. Me.
Absolutely. Well, I mean, Dri-Eaz is the best. Oh, yeah, for sure. I just got back. Oh my God, yeah, totally. Your order's top of queue. Okay, talk in like 20 minutes. Addi!
Yeah, what?
What are you doing?
I was filing my nails.
With my nail file?
I mean, I figured it was a company file.
Yeah, sure.
You seem irritated.
Yeah, well, my file was just hijacked, and I'm having bad allergies.
Were you on a job site?
Yeah, some of us have to work around here.
What kind?
Water damage?
Ooh, water damage means mold growth. If you start blowing air around in order to dry it, you need proper air filtration. Were you using an air scrubber?
No.
Drying or cleaning carpets or working on a job with sewage, mold, flooding, even at a site with occupants who have allergies. By adding targeted area air scrubbing, you're creating a cleaner, safer indoor environment.
I don't get it.
Think about it. If air is moving and that air is contaminated, you could be breathing in unhealthy air.
Ew.
I think of air scrubbers as basically commercial-grade air purifiers that help to remove harmful pollutants like sewage, mold, asbestos, and construction dust.
Sounds like a cost-effective way to increase the quality and value of your services.
No doubt. And the best part is we have a new product in the lineup for people who are looking for a smaller, more cost-effective solution.
Ooh, what is it?
Haven't we been through this before?
Top secret.
Duh.
Legend Brands.